as well as to maintain the warranty terms of the device. Moving forward around the big data capability, there's a big hype around data and AI, but for you to really take advantage of data and AI, it's really important that you capture the right information from a foundational perspective and then from a transactional perspective. That is really critical because in previous times, people used to manually control this or use Excel spreadsheets, and it was hard to make predictive decisions around data. The benefit you have having a decent ERP system is to make sure that you have good enriched data across your platform from a vehicle perspective, from a master data, the customer perspective, and the vendor, so that that triangular approach could help you analyze what you're selling to what customers and how each of the equipment is performing.